my name is Sebastian and welcome. Today I'm going to show you the new Tropper Nerf gun, and I'm also going to show you how to build it. So let's first start with opening the pack. First off, I can see some Nerf dots here. I think we're going to use that to the clip. And here we have the barrel to sit on the mini blaster. And here's the start to, yeah, you can sit on the shoulder, then you can shoot better. Here's the clip. It looks pretty nice and orange. I like that. Also, it's my first clip gun, so. And here we have the mini blaster. So let's continue with building the gun. I think first off we might start with this. I have a friend, so I know how to set this on. And then we also have this dock, which shall be set there. So I think we shall pull this down. There's like an arrow that says down. So then I'm gonna set it here. And it looks like that one on the package, but like, let's find out how to set the clip on. Oh, it won't go in. I think we need to load it. I just want to try to shoot it. Wait, what's that? Oh, here I can see something. Let me try to see what happens. Oh, I think it's in probably. I don't know. Let me just. It don't shoot. Oh yeah, I remember. I got told that you need to do this first. Pull from again. So let me try to pull the trigger. It sounds good. Still pretty good. Yes, so this is all for today. Bye bye, and get ready to see the next video.